Hi everybody, I am so excited to tell you all about this amazing PR package that I received from Rivaj. My voice is a bit here and there, but yaar ye bahut kamal hai. Not only because of the amazing makeup products that they have launched and have sent me, but most importantly, I love their campaign this time, bro. It says women are too sensitive. And before I explain that, I just want to highlight how this is always considered a bad thing. Just the other day, I was talking to a cousin of mine and she's in a leadership position. And वो भी ये बात कह रही थी how for the longest time, she considered her emotions being a sign of weakness or a bad thing. But we really need to look at the fact that women are now sensitive and it's actually a good thing. We're sensitive about our mobility, about our pay scales, about our freedom, space, the kind of clothes you wear. I think this is super cool that they have launched this campaign and I absolutely love the message behind it. And they sent me a lot of products, but मेरा जो सबसे ज़्यादा favorite इसमें रहा है, let me show you that one. यार वो बड़ा fit है यार. किधर गया वो? Oh yeah, here it is. This eyebrow pencil and I love it because it comes with this inbuilt sharpener. एंड मेरे पास इतना मेकअप है जिसके अंदर आई हैव सो मेनी आई पेंसिल्स एंड लिप पेंसिल्स इन बेचारी आगे से तबाह हुई नहीं है एंड आई एम नेवर एबल टू फाइंड अ शार्पनर एंड आई थिंक ये सबसे हैंडी रहेगा एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव ऑल द अदर थिंग्स दैट दे सेंट एज वेल स्पेशली फॉर डेली वेयर. आई थिंक फॉर अस वुमेन ऑन द गो जहाँ पे हमारे पास बेली टाइम होता है फॉर आवर सेल्स, आई थिंक दीज थिंग्स दैट दे सेंट मी, they are such a game changer and I can't wait to try them all, especially this lip color. Super cool for daily wear. It says it's long lasting and waterproof, so I'm going to test this today as well. But if you haven't checked out this amazing campaign yet, I think you must, because I feel like it's high time that we start considering sensitivity as a tool of power and strength instead of looking at with such a negative lens. I think by bus, yeah, move on. So yeah, I love this. Oh, women are too sensitive, as they should be, and I think that's absolutely so cool. यार ये बहुत fit campaign है इनकी. I love it. The products that they've sent, absolutely amazing.